This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Huawei P40 Pro. This is the company's latest flagship smartphone. It was announced back in March alongside two other P40 devices, the regular P40 and the P40 Pro Plus. This one's the Pro model, it's right in the middle. It has a 6.5-inch OLED display at 90 Hz refresh rate. It has in-display fingerprint sensor. It has four cameras. One is 40 megapixel ultra wide. Another is 50 megapixel regular lens. There's a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, so you can get like 5 times optical zoom. And there's also time of flight sensor, which can be used for bokeh effects when you're doing portrait photos. It comes with a 4200 milliamp hour battery, 40 watt Huawei supercharge wired, and 27 watt fast wireless charging on compatible like wireless charging pads. It's running Android 10 with Huawei's EMUI on top. And if you notice on the box, it said explore it on App Gallery. This device doesn't actually have Google's Play services. There's no Google Play Store and whatnot. You'll have to either like sideload the stuff, or you can use an app if you're transferring from another Android device called Huawei Phone Clone. So it basically takes some of the apps that you'd find on the Play Store and then can copy them to here. In the front you have 32 megapixel camera, and there's also a IR sensor for face unlock. At the bottom there's a SIM jack or SIM tray, USB port, speaker, power button, volume buttons. This is a nice kind of grayish color and whatnot. So yeah, let's see what else is inside the box. So you get the manuals and stuff, and you also get a clear case for the P40 Pros, because this seems like it's a very fingerprint magnet. So it just goes on like that, and then you can keep it protected. You have a USB-C cable, some USB-C earbuds, since there's no headphone jack on the P40 Pro, and the Huawei supercharge wall adapter. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the Huawei P40 Pro.